Hi, I'm Chad from Garmin. Xero bow sight is designed to improve your accuracy, even when shooting unknown yardages. In this video, we'll show you how to use the reticle and pin to reduce bow torque and shoot more accurately. When the trigger is depressed and the rangefinder is scanning, the primary LED and the reticle are projected off the optic to your eye. The reticle appears as if it's further out, much like a red dot sight. This creates a sighting mechanism like the barrel of a rifle. If you take a range before every shot while at full draw, you'll notice that if your primary LED doesn't line up perfectly inside your reticle circle, you're probably not applying the same grip pressure as you did when you aligned your sight. If your alignment is consistently off from what feels comfortable, you may want to adjust your reticle alignment. This may happen if you go from using bare hands to gloves when shooting. Slight grip adjustments to get into proper form will ensure that you're applying the same pressure to the bow for each shot, which should help reduce your bow torque, allowing you to shoot more accurately and with more confidence on your next hunt or in your next tournament. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to learn more about the Garmin Xero bow sight.